Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another useful tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the FPS drop on your Windows PC. So let's start the video. This is a two-step process, so follow my two-step. First of all, go to your search option. Here search registry editor. This is the option registry editor. Right click it here and run as administrator. Click here and just click yes here. Cross this option, and here on the left side you can see different kinds of option. First of all, expand the H key current user option, expand it here, and you can search for the system option. Just this is the system option, expand it here again, and just go to game config store, click here, and here you can see game DVR enable. Just right click that option here and go to modify, and all you have to do is change this value from 1 to 0 and just click OK. This is the first option. And now for the second option, go to local H key local machine. Here go. And now go to software, expand it here. And now search for the Microsoft option. This is the Microsoft option here. Expand it here. And now you have to search for policy management. Scroll down. And you can see the policy manager option here. Expand that option and expand the default option again. This is a default option. Expand this default option. And now search for application manager. Scroll down a little bit. Carefully search for it. You can find it. Just have to careful. Here, this is the application management. Expand it here. And now search for the allow game DVR. This is the option, and after clicking it on the right side you can see the option value. Just right click it here, value option, and click modify. And here you also have to do the same things, change this one value to 0 and click OK. After doing these two steps, I hope your FPS drop will be fixed on your PC. So this is the video, and if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.